Hi guys, I'm Deepthi. I love experimenting in the kitchen and I love whipping up chutneys and dips. This wet grinder from Butterfly is just what I needed to make my recipes come alive. Let's check out. This wet grinder from Butterfly has a sturdy, lightweight design. It has a smart white and grey color combination and is made of premium grade materials. It is also available in a grey and cherry colored set. This grinder also comes with a coconut scraper attachment which comes in handy for many of my recipes. The mixer jar has a capacity of 2 liters with a powerful motor that provides uniform grinding pressure and a 4-way grinding system that produces results in seconds. To make a traditional green chutney, all you have to do is add some coriander, garlic, a chili, some salt for seasoning and a few squeezes of lemon juice into the mixer and grind them until they create a delicious aromatic paste. With this grinder from Butterfly, I can create some wonderful food for my family to enjoy. It's a must-have for all experimenting cooks.